Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have a look at the classrooms of IIM Guwahati. Currently we are having two classrooms. This is the classroom A and this is classroom B. So let us go inside and see what all things are there inside the classroom. So externally the classroom A looks like this, and as we go inside we can see the platform on which the professors they deliver their lecture, and here we have our seats. So this is my seat, this one. So the name of the students are written on their desk and they sit according to the nameplate. And currently we are having 51 students in our class, and this is the projector and whiteboard. Professors they deliver their lecture from here, and here we have a desktop mic, and this one is the mic which they can carry and they can insert in their t-shirt or anywhere else. And so this is the classroom of IIM Guwahati, newly built, peaceful, well air conditioned, and well illuminated. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog and the classroom of IIM Guwahati. Thank you.